Start building balls.
Baby. A big one.
Oh, it must be nice to have gloves on.
Yeah. Why didn't you bring yours? What the fuck? Oh, he's got a toboggan. I thought he had that shit that went around his ears. Jonathan, Kayla, say hello.
Hello.
This my friend.
No, I'm not.
Mama, not in front of my friend.
She's always got to say that for shit. Now, I was just about to talk about what a good job her granny did of crocheting these shoes that she's got on. Zoom down, look at them babies. That was made out of yarn from Walmart, and her granny made that for her. I have been over there and hung out with her granny, and I helped her put up her fruits. We put them in ball jars and flipped them upside down so that when the seal snaps, that's when you know it's
Zach.
sealed. But you don't care.
Say hello
Hey, hey.
to the home video. Look at my little minions out there. Get it, boo. Gary's got the head. Miles is doing
As big as the bottom
the body.
is, though. I don't know if that
Watch
head
mine,
will do it.
Okay. Go, baby.
I got a good head. You get a good head. Yeah. What I'm talking about. Mama, you didn't know that, did you?
I did not know that's how you build a snowman. I swear I didn't. I
Yeah.
thought you just piled it up like. No wonder mine looked.
They got anybody good on the drunk cam lately?
No, we haven't used it in a while.
Yeah.